Let's talk about how Disney uses big data and artificial intelligence to give customers a more magical experience. Disney has been a tech innovator from the beginning. They've always used technology to improve their customer service, to improve their customer offerings. And what I want to talk about is how they use big data now to deliver a better customer service and better service experience in their theme parks in Disney World. What they're now doing is they're offering this magic band. This is basically a little, almost like a fitness tracker that you wear on your wrist. And this allows you to open your hotel room, it allows you to pay. And this has a little GPS tracker in them. And it basically allows Disney to really understand where their customers are in their theme parks, what they're buying when they're returning to their hotels. This is something most companies would love to have, a real understanding of what their customers are doing, when they are where, what they are buying. I've recently worked with another theme park operator here in Europe, and they basically had no idea, they have no idea of where their customers are and what they're doing. So Disney is now using this, and this allows them to understand where the long queues are forming, for example. So is there a particular ride where the queues are getting bigger? Their idea is to make this a better customer experience, so they can then make sure that they might direct customers to other rides that are empty at this point in time, or give them a little voucher to say have a coffee on us. The rides will be less long in half an hour's time. It also allows them to schedule their workers and say, okay, maybe if the queues are getting too long in their restaurants, maybe we need to bring a few more people in to make sure that this doesn't happen during the lunch rush hour. So all of this is helping them operationally, is helping them to deliver a better customer experience, but they're always pushing the boat. So what they started to do in their Disney research arm is that they are now using artificial intelligence to understand real-time reactions when people watch a show, either a live show or a show in their cinemas. And the way they're doing is they're using machine vision, so artificial intelligence, coupled to a camera. This is actually a night vision camera that looks at the audience. So you sit in the cinema, you have no idea that anything is happening, but the cameras are watching you, and they will do a sentiment analysis. So the cameras will interpret your facial expressions to see if you're scared, if you're sad, if you're surprised. This now gives them real time feedback of how people actually are responding to their shows and to their films. This is still in the research phase, but the idea is that this will be rolled out into the theme parks at some point soon, and again could give them real life feedback into what their customers are doing. Both of those examples for me are some of the leading edge applications of big data and AI. This is something that I do with my clients. I help them understand how they can leverage AI and big data better for their organization to address some of their biggest challenges. If you would like to learn more, head to my website at bernardmarr.com, where you can find tons of articles, white papers and videos that will give you a lot more insights into real-world case studies and examples.